Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1966 driver quality Ford Mustang powered by a 289 V8. If you want to see more cars like this, be sure to like and subscribe below so we can have more fun. What I love about this 66 Mustang is the sound that motor makes. So this has a 289, it's a T-code car. And when you open up the hood, it's highly detailed. They painted it in that blue. You got your sticker here that designates the cubic inches. And then you can see your bag for your windshield wipers. So the sprayer, you've got your factory style radiator and a radiator shroud in place. Just a nice clean engine bay, no rust. Let me close it, closes easily. Let's go down the driver's side. So it has those pony style wheels, like the caps, and they look really good. All the emblems are even. The door gaps are even as well, and the doors open up easily, so you can open it, and then when you close it, closes really nice. You got your vents right here, and I do see a little bit of oxidation because it is a driver quality car. But this is something you could jump in, you can literally turn the key and start it up outside, no gas manipulation, and take it for a ride with no problems at all. I love the vinyl top that it has as well. The vinyl is even and concise throughout, and there are no bubbles in the rear, and your rear glass looks very nice, and you can see through it, so there's no scratches. Let me grab the keys so I can open up that trunk. The wheels and tires have about 95% tread. And this is really nice too. A little bit of imperfections, but not bad. Your door handle. So when you look at the rear, you're gonna see the tail lights. They're in great shape, as is the bumper. So to open this up, you're gonna put the circled key in and pull it up. It has a trunk dress-up kit and a spare tire. And what I like to do, if I'm buying a Mustang, is pull this up and take a look at how everything is in here, make sure it's solid and that the quarters don't have any filler or anything going crazy in there. You can see some of the clay from back in the day. Let me close that, and let's pull this side up so you can see too. Really solid. These are the grounds for your lights. I did some patching right here, but nothing crazy. Close it up. As we go down the passenger side, you're going to see that the quarter is in really nice shape. A little bit of filler right here, but you can't tell. You have to really look at it. And when I open up the passenger side door, look at how nice it is. All the rubbers are in place, and the doors are solid. Interior is really clean too. So it has a center console with the hidden center box, which I'll show you when we get inside. Nice custom steering wheel as well, and all of the interior has been reupholstered, and the door cards have been redone as well. Let me go ahead and start it, and I'll stand out back so you can hear the idle. True dual exhaust sounds really, really good. Pan's even. Both these bumper mounts are even. And then when you look down the side, come take a look at this. Look how smooth it is. Let's go to the other side too and look. So this one's a little bit, it's got a little bit of a wave, but it's a driver quality car. Let's go for a ride. It has an aftermarket radio here, which works. But we're gonna leave it off for the drive. Gauge pod looks really good. You've got your fuel gauge. We're almost out of fuel. Hopefully we don't run out. Oil pressure. So you've got your dummy gauge, and then you've got a real gauge that shows the actual pressure. We're at full operating temperature right now. We drove it around the block to get it here. And we've got 58 pounds of pressure. That means that motor is super healthy. It doesn't have any issues. You also have your cigarette lighter right here, which has been used at some point. Then you've got your blower. Do you hear anything? Nope, so this doesn't work. Also in your glove box, that's where your flashers are. So you click that on and your hazards will turn on. Then you've got your hidden center box, which I love on these things. You put your stuff in there, your wallet, your phone, spring loaded. We're gonna go ahead and go into the drive position and take it for a ride. Steering wheel's pretty cool too, aftermarket. Brakes, they feel good. Whoa, a little peppy. All right, so we're driving down Ravenswood right now. We're gonna get it to speed, let the transmission shift as it should. Right now we're going about 40 miles per hour. The suspension feels good. We're going over some bumps right now, no funny sounds. Braking, let's get it up a little bit faster. We're going 50, let's do an emergency stop right here. Nice and even, no issues. It's got a lot of torque. You can feel the torque when I'm just giving it minimal throttle. Interior is really clean, headliner's nice. Rear seats are nice. It does have seat belts from what I can see. I have seat belts on my side. It's not on, but I do have it. My AC is working right here. So this is the poor man's AC. You fold this out and this is gonna go for the passenger and that's gonna be for the driver, but you see he doesn't care about me, so he's keeping it for himself. See that angle? Give me some of that. We're gonna turn right here at the blue sign and we'll test out the acceleration. Hopefully we can beat this bus there. Steering's really easy. Ready? Not bad. You can hear a little bit of an exhaust leak, but it rides fine. I don't smell any oil burning. I don't see any oil coming from the exhaust pipes. And when we do the drive-by shot next, you're going to be able to see and hear it much better. Right now, this microphone's going to pick up a lot of lower pitch sounds. No funny sounds when you're turning either. Just a great driver. If you're looking for something that you don't have to worry about, you jump in it and enjoy it, this is definitely the right 66 for you. Give us a call, 954-363-2261. We ship worldwide, so if you're in Europe, don't worry about it. Just send us your port of entry, we'll get you a quote. We'll work with the United Container Line out of Pompano, and they do a great job. 954-363-2261.